Today we are going to discuss on type conversion or typecasting in C language. Here typecasting or type conversion is converting from one data type to another data type. It is called type conversion. Here we have to convert from integer to float or float to integer. That is the type conversion or typecasting. Here we have two types of type conversions. They are implicit conversion and explicit conversion. You see here, to multiply an integer and floating point number, one of the types must be converted. For example, if I want to multiply two data type values, two type of values, we have to convert into same type. One is integer, another one is the floating. So either we have to convert integer to float or float to integer. These two values should be same. Then only we can add or multiply, we can subtract. So two values should have the same data type. Then only we can multiply, we can add, we can subtract, whatever we want, we can do that. Unless we will get runtime error. Okay. So here we have to convert into same type. Then only addition, multiplication, subtraction is possible. You see here implicit conversion. First one. Here C compiler only automatically convert one data type to another data type. That is called implicit conversion. Okay. You see here. So in implicit conversion, only compiler only automatically by default compiler will convert. Okay, from one data type to another data type. You see here. Here, this is the rank, conversion rank. These real values have in highest rank. After that, this is the compared to real, integer is the lower rank. Compared to integer, character is the lower rank. Compared to character, boolean is the lower rank. Okay. You see here, this is a conversion rank according to the size of the type of the value. Type means data type value. Okay. You see here, for example, if I want to convert from float to integer, float f is 5.23, integer a. You see here, I am going to convert 5.23 into integer. This is the assignment operator. Then 5.23 will be converted into 5. This is called demotion. Okay. Why? Because 5.23 is converted into 5. Okay. This is assignment operator. We are assigning float value to integer. Okay. Here we will not convert, only compiler by default. It will convert. This is the automatic type conversion. This is the implicit type conversion by the compiler. Okay. These lines, these three lines are comment lines, multi-line comment or block comment. Compiler will not detect this. If we write slash and star, asterisk operator and slash. Okay. You see here. Here this is the demotion. This is the promotion. You see here int b is 8, float f. I am going to convert from integer to float, right side to left side, assignment operator, assigning integer value to float. Integer size is less than float. Now we are going to convert from int to float. So 8 will be 8 value is the b value is 8. 8 will be converted into float. So it will make change as 8.0. Promotion is occurred. Okay. If right expression has lower rank, okay, then that variable will get promotion. If right expression will have higher rank, that will get demotion. You see here, for this promotion or widening, I gave the example right to left. Okay, if right is lower, then if it will convert into left, then it will get promotion. If right is highest value, it will convert into lower, then it will get demotion. That values here I have given promotion, demotion values. Here promotion, for the promotion I assigned values. Okay. Here character A, ASCII value of capital A is 65. What is the ASCII? ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Whatever we give the character, that will be converted into integer value. Then only we can convert into binary form. In number system we have seen from decimal to binary. 65 will be converted into binary. Okay. You see here, I have given here demotion, narrowing. Right, if right side is the highest value, then that will convert it into left side. Then it will get demotion, narrowing. Okay. For example, you see here int max. The value is not there here. I assign to j. So we cannot predict that value. What is the int max? We don't know. So that unpredicted value is assigned to j. Okay. You see here s is j. So value of s is unpredictable. We don't know that value. Okay. You see here I have given one expression. Here also For example, if I want to multiply, we have to convert into same type. Now I will explain how we can convert that. We can convert by default, automatic, and we can also convert forcibly. That is the explicit conversion. Here, if you see the explicit conversion, then you can understand. We have to convert into same type. Then only multiplication is possible. Here it is int, it is double. We have to convert, this int should be double or double should be integer. Okay. Then if I convert into double, then double into double, double. Here float into float by float, float. Double plus float, double value. Here we have to convert into float, float into double. Then double plus double, double. Now after explicit conversion explanation, you can understand. You see here, this is the explicit conversion. Okay. Externally we can convert data from one data type to another data type by the user. User means we are the users. Okay. Forcibly we are converting by ourselves. So that is the explicit conversion. Okay. Here we only convert. Earlier in implicit, compiler by default automatically it was converted, but now we are converting. User is converted. User will be converted. Okay. That is the explicit type conversion. You see here example int a. Here a value. Float of a. What I gave the a value, that will be converted into, actually a is the int only, but now I will convert into float. You see here example. You see here example. You see here void main float c is 50.9 int d. Okay, here you see here c value is 50.9. I am going to convert float value into integer. If I give this is the explicit. Externally we are giving. It will not give a compiler. Okay. This is the externally we are giving. So it is called explicit conversion. Externally user will give this. Okay. What user will give explicitly externally, that is the explicit conversion. Second type of conversions, int of c. Actually c is the float, but that will be converted into integer. Okay. So now 50.9 will become as 50 only. That will be converted into d. What is the d type? Int. So that 50.9 will be converted into 50. Now I print that d is 50. Output is 50. You see here one more example. X is 20.5, y is 39.8. Int r, x, int of x. So 20.5 will be converted into 20. Int of y. Y is a float, but it will be converted into integer. 39. 20 plus 39. Okay, the answer is 59. R is 59. Okay, this is a conversion from one data type to another data type. Okay, we have two types of conversions. One is implicit conversion, another one is the explicit conversion. Implicit conversion will be done by automatically by the compiler only. Automatic conversion by the compiler. But whereas in explicit conversion, user will convert. You see here how we converted int or float. What we give, the data, that value will be converted into that type. Okay, this is the explicit. Forcibly user will convert. That's why externally we convert. That's why it is called explicit conversion. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please share and subscribe.